Hey guys, it's Noah here, and I just wanted to show you that this Craftsman, what model is this? This Craftsman, hey, this is made in Malaysia, just like where Dyson is made. Alright, well, this Craftsman leaf blower is powerful like a jet engine. I mean, can it pull itself on this cart like a jet engine? Well, we're about to find out. Okay, pretty good, but it fell off the first time. Might need some bungee cords to hold it down, but they're in my dad's truck, and my dad's in Cleveland. My dad's in Columbus region right now, so that got in there. Hold on. Maybe we should do it on the smooth surface. That's the garage. Move this insulation. And we're gonna get this, let's get this in here. Straighten the wheels out, straighten the casters. Here, it ain't gonna blow, it's not gonna blow the insulation away. Okay, here we go. Test number 2. Well, that worked. Okay, alright, test 2 is better. Because it is powerful. Watch this. Well, this does a pretty good job of pulling this card out here. But anyways, that does it for this video. Comment, subscribe for more.